Hey guys, it's Nanda from Nanda's Crafts. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the Mickey Mouse gift box. I made this box using packaging boxes like frozen pizza box, cereal boxes, cheeses, graham crackers, Ritzes, whatever box that I save and is available for me to create a box like this. The measurements for this box is 12 centimeters by 12 centimeters, and it is 8 centimeters tall, and in inches is 4 inches and 3/4 by 4 inches and 3/4, and it is a little bit less than 3 inches and a quarter tall. Inside the box, there is 4 layers of cardboard paper in each side. So I cut the pieces of the cardboard paper and then I glue in each side of the box. And on the bottom of the box is 3 layers of the cardboard paper. My first layer is the pizza box, which in here, as you can see, is the same measurements for this box right here. So I'm going to make another box as 12 centimeters by 12 centimeters and 8 centimeters tall. And inside the box, I decided to go with the Mickey Mouse paper. As you can see in here, this is the Disney paper pad that I'm using for this gift box. So right here is the same paper that I'm using on the outside of the box. So there's only 2 papers for each design. So I only had enough to cover the outside of the box, as you can see. The bottom of the box, I use this paper in here, and I use it here to cover the sides of the box lid too. And then I decide to go with this Mickey Mouse paper in here with the stars. So the white stars has glitter in there. I don't know if you guys can see it, the glitter. And same as I use it for the bottom of the box. And then for the inside of the box, I could go with the red solid cardstock, but I decided to go with the Mickey Mouse paper, which was just enough to glue inside of the box. So here, this is just the blue scrapbook paper that I decided to go with it. I could go with the yellow, but I did not have a yellow like this color here, so I decided to go with the blue. And it just turned out so cute. I love it the way this box turned out. So this is just another idea for you to use it. Your scrapbook paper, I know it's a lot of work, but if you make one, I would love to see it. I have an Instagram page, so that link is on the description down below. You can check that out and you can follow me in there. They are not perfect boxes, but they always turn out so cute. You can check it out, my playlist on gift box. In there, I show how to make a gift box and how to cover a box with the scrapbook papers. And this is the video for today. I hope you enjoy. So I really love it the way this box turned out. And if you like this video, give this video a like. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.